Kadmon Holdings Incorporated is a biopharmaceutical company which engages in discovering, developing, and commercializing small molecules and biologics. The company's primary focus is on the treatment of inflammatory and fibrotic diseases. Kadmon Holdings has strategic collaborations and license agreements with Nanoterra and Diax Corporation. The company is headquartered in New York City and traded on NASDAQ under the symbol KDMN. Hello everyone, this is Jitendra and today we will be looking into Kadmon Holdings. We will cover all three time frames: daily, weekly, monthly, then moving on to company's product pipeline, ownership, financials, and conclusion. If you want me to make a presentation video on a particular stock or any topic related to the stock market, please put it in the comments section. I would love to make it for you. Let's look into daily time frame. For ease of understanding, I have mentioned support and resistance with numbers. Actually, it is not as it is supposed to be. After a gap down from 5.5 levels, the stock further came down, entering into following channel S1 and R1. Later it moved up taking support and resistance, S2 and R2. It did breach R1, but could not go past R2 and headed back, again taking support S2. The stock then moved into another channel S3 and R3. I am hoping stock will breach current resistance and keep moving towards the following price targets of $4.5, $5 and $5.5 in near term. A quick upside can be seen if it crosses 4, because then it will be piercing both the 200 moving average and resistance R2. So I am hopeful for that the price target of $5 should be reached soon. Moving to a weekly time frame, the stock has consistently taken support of 200 moving average. Recently morning star bullish reversal pattern was formed, and I am hoping that should propel the stock further. Volume has been constant on the weekly chart. Hence I am hoping the stock to rise further, reaching set target of $5.5, where it will hit the resistance. Nothing much on monthly, except for the fact that the resistance concurs as mentioned before, and the final price target of $5.5 remains. Volume has been increasing over the period of time. Conservative traders can wait for a possible fall to 3.5 levels, where it should give a good buying opportunity. A breakup through the top trend line at 4+ levels will give a strong buy signal, and will also give confirmation of reversal in trend. The average volume of KDMN is 2 million, and is a liquid stock. Considering the average volume in short-term trends seems positive, with the stock garnering more interest from both traders and investors. So this concludes my view on technicals. Let's move on. Let us now look into Kadmon's product pipeline. Belumosudil, KD025, is for chronic graft versus host disease, currently under PDUFA priority review with an expected date August 30, 2021. High overall response rates were observed in the patient population and across all the subgroups of patients assessed in the study, with primary endpoints met. Responses to belumosudil were also durable and clinically meaningful, regardless of each patient's CG-VHD characteristics and prior treatment. The agent was also well tolerated in the study subjects with manageable adverse events. Belumosudil, KD025, for systemic sclerosis, scleroderma, is currently ongoing phase 2 trial enrollment. KD025 is basically an orally available, selective small molecule inhibitor of Rho-associated coiled coil kinase 2, a molecular target in multiple autoimmune, fibrotic and neurodegenerative diseases. So, we need to see how things unfold in August 2021. KD033 is for metastatic or locally advanced solid tumors. KD033 treatment resulted in significant tumor growth reduction. Phase 1 trials are in progress. Tisbotinib is to block key molecular drivers of tumor growth, metastases and drug resistance, currently in phase 2 trials. Overall, the product pipeline definitely looks interesting. Also, the company markets and distributes a portfolio of branded generic ribavirin products. UBS Group is very positive about KDMN and gave it a buy rating on May 26, 2021. The price target was set to $9. Over the last 30 days, this security got 2 buy, 0 sell, and 0 hold ratings. The institutional ownership for KDMN stands at an impressive 96%, and here are some of my favorites. Some of the concerns for Kadmon are: shareholders have been diluted in the past year. KDMN has underperformed when it comes to returns as compared to both U.S. biotechs and U.S. markets over the past year. Impact of COVID-19 crisis is clearly seen on the stock price, even though the stock did make a recovery, but has dipped back again. KDMN was analyzed by more than 5 analysts giving a buy consensus, with some Wall Street analysts offering 12-month price target for Kadmon Holdings to an average of $12.50. Kadmon has a market capitalization of $686.18 million and generates $8.29 million in revenue each year. As per estimates, a strong growth is seen in both earnings per share and revenue in coming years. Analysts polled by Standard & Poor's have put company's growth among the best in the industry. Kadmon has sufficient cash runway for approximate 3 years, based on its current free cash flow. It has around $295 million of cash, as of March 31. They have very good data for their lead asset, and Kadmon is also progressing the molecule through trials in a second high-value indication. The fair value is 3.3, nearly 18% below the current price, but that is also a conservative buy level. Conclusion: Kadmon shares and its market environment have been in bearish cycle last 12 months. However, considering current technical setup and company's work on addressing unmet needs, I am hoping for a positive trend in the near-term future. Thus, Kadmon might be good investment option. I hope you liked this video. Please share your thoughts and comments. See you soon. Take care.